Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really super easy dessert, high protein. We're going to be using Greek style yogurt, plain. We're going to be using some PB2, which is powdered peanut butter, which is lower in fat. And then I've got some date sugar. And then I have some chocolate chips with a little bit of coconut oil that we're going to melt. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. So I've got 2/3 cup of this Greek yogurt, which is 1 serving. Then I'm going to add the PB2, and I'm going to add the date sugar, because the PB2 I use has 0 sugar in it. Now we're just going to mix this well, and I probably should have put it in a bigger bowl. But we'll get this all combined, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So once it's all mixed, you want to smooth it out, and then you're going to heat up your chocolate chips 30 seconds at a time, 30 seconds, then stir it. Then we're going to put this on the top and very carefully spread that around like this. And it's going to make like a shell. Alright, so you can put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes, or you can leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours. But I'm going to let this set, and then we'll give it a taste. I had to let it sit for a minute. Oh, look at that. Yummy. So good. So this is to die for. It's just like so creamy, fluffy. You get that peanut butter taste, not too sweet, and then you've got this chocolate. So delicious. This is not a low-calorie dessert, but it does have a good amount of protein. I'll put all that information in the description box, and I hope you give it a try. Now here's another version. You're going to take 170 grams of Greek yogurt. This is plain. This is Kite Hill. It's the cleanest one I can find, and this will be 140 calories. And I like to use the scale because it's more accurate. So I've got a little bit of chocolate spilled in there. So I've got 170 grams. I've also got 1 scoop of Earth Chimp chocolate. And this is amazing. I have a discount code, which I'll put in the description box. And then to kick up the chocolate flavor a little bit more, I have a teaspoon of cacao powder. Okay? Now we're just going to mix this together, then we're going to add in 15 grams of chocolate chips. And this takes a minute to get it all combined. But let me just tell you, this is so outrageously delicious. It's about 27 grams of protein. Oh Lord. So I'm going to get this all mixed up, and then I'll come back. Now look how thick and creamy this is. It's not too sweet. You're not adding any sugar to this one because the protein powder is sweetened with monk fruit. Then I've just got a few chocolate chips, and I eat this for dessert, but you could eat it for breakfast. You really could. But this mousse is out of this world. Oh yeah. Totally delicious. So this one is a little lower calorie. The other one is a little bit more decadent, a little bit higher calorie, but it just depends on which way you want to go. All right, so I hope you give these two a try. Let me know what you think.